Do you know that you can become a Binance live streamer and literally get paid by Binance? This is just like Binance employing you and giving you a job to share whatever knowledge you have in the crypto space with your followers and then get paid at the end of the month. And aside from that, there are so many other incentives, such as your followers giving you gifts and then appreciating you in different ways by sending you different kinds of gifts and appreciation that you can redeem into money. So the Binance Live is one of the aspects that not many people are exploring, and I want to show you how to become a Binance live streamer. If you have any knowledge ranging from gamify, trade, NFTs, metaverse, different ways, even just chatting, you're going to earn a lot from the Binance Live. So guys, it's Solomon here. If you're new to the channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, you're welcome back. Basically, in this video, I'm going to show you how to become a Binance live streamer, and we will navigate through everything you need to know about the Binance live streaming platform so that you can become a beneficiary of this great platform. The Binance Live is a new platform, not many people know about it. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So if you log into your Binance, you can use your mobile phone. You can also use your desktop. I use the desktop because it gives me a better view for this particular tutorial, but you can use your mobile phone. I will show you how to access it right here, but you need to be a verified user to qualify for this particular aspect of Binance. And then make sure, if you don't have a Binance account, you create one with the link in the description. So let's head over to where we can find our Binance Live. All you have to do, once you come right here, you can simply come to this place and then scroll to where you can see Binance Live and click on Binance Live. If you're using your mobile phone, you can also find it by simply going to your dashboard and click on more. Scroll down to where you can see gifts and campaign, and then you can actually see Binance Live right there. So once you come to the Binance Live, this is exactly what you're supposed to see. And if you have not applied to become a streamer, I will show you how to go about that. But let me just navigate through every single information right here for you to know what exactly is the Binance Live. It's just like any other platform such as TikTok, YouTube, that you can go live and share knowledge about whatever you know. Just go ahead and share knowledge. You can see a lot of people that are following you, and then these people are going to give you a lot of gift, and then you can redeem those gifts into tangible money and withdraw it and have it in your account. And then apart from that, Binance can also pay you at the end of the month after you have streamed. You're required to stream at least 30 minutes in a day. So I'm going to show you everything about that. So right here you can actually see this is a live streaming, somebody is live streaming. So this is actually what you're going to see. Once you click on the Binance Live platform, you can click on view more and see different other people that are also streaming. So you can actually see calendar and then the number of people that are going to stream on that very day, the time and everything. People are scheduling their live streaming. You can follow them and see what they are doing. You can discover more. So basically, when you come to the Binance Live, you can see different aspect of the cryptocurrency: gamify, trades, NFTs, metaverse, just chatting. You can just go there and be chatting, and then you will redeem gifts and different other things. You can go to others where you can find so many other things. So right here you can see recommended gamify watch list. These are people that are going to be streaming. If you see the live right here, these are people that are streaming right now, and then the number of viewers at that point. You can also replay somebody's session, maybe live streaming. Maybe somebody just came and thought about NFT. You can actually play it after they have finished and then watch everything. This is just like the YouTube of Binance. So there are so many other people that are streaming right here. You recommended trades, you can see recommended NFT watch list, recommended metaverse. So depending on where you are playing in the crypto space, the crypto space is a very large space that can contain anybody. So you're going to choose where you want to belong and then see them. You can see replay. These are people that are coming here to even showcase their projects. If you have a platform, you can grow that platform from this very place. You can see every single information. So any aspect of this that you're playing in, you can simply join and then apply to become a live streamer. Then you're going to get access to live stream every day. You're going to see every single information I will share with you right here. So let me show you how to apply and become a live streamer. Let me click on this and go to incognito so that I will show you every single information about becoming a live streamer, Binance.com. So you're not going to see it like my own because I'm already a live streamer on Binance. So definitely I will not be able to show you with my account. That's why I'm going on incognito window. So you can simply come here. You just scroll up here. You can see apply for streamers. The steps are very easy. You're going to apply. Once you are accepted, you're going to have a lot of opportunity to share your knowledge, to become an icon. I will show you some of the followers some people have right here. You can see different people right here. You scroll. I will come to where you can see apply for streamers and then click on apply for streamers. Right now, you're going to see apply for streamers, apply to be a Binance Live host. The Binance Live platform is dedicated to building a new live streaming ecosystem in the blockchain space. Through Binance Live, you can see exclusive sessions from cryptocurrency gurus, professional investment analysis, lessons from industry leaders, as well as a share crypto investment experience with other like-minded investors. Anytime. At this stage, we are looking for partners in this crypto live streaming ecosystem. If you are interested in becoming our streaming partner, please click on the link so you can jump into this and apply now before this place gets saturated, and then later the Binance streaming aspect is going to be a big deal. Then it will be difficult for you to apply for it. The advantages of becoming a live streamer right here: you can reach tens of thousands of crypto users worldwide, millions of people. I'm going to show you everything. I will go live and then you will see the number of people that will join immediately. It's actually a very vast place. You know, Binance have a lot of users, so you're going to have a lot of people following you. Go live from your PC, mobile phone. Anytime you can use your mobile phone to go live, whatever time you want, you can go ahead and do that. Get direct access to cryptocurrency rewards and gifts earning. You're going to get rewards, earnings, different ways, exclusive interactive gameplay, unique cryptocurrency bonuses to bring you closer to your audience. You will have the opportunity to become a live star on the leading crypto trading platform. Yes, you can even see get official promotional support from Binance and win discounts on transaction fees. So there are many things. Live content requirement. So you go live for at least 15 days or 30 hours per month. Each live should last for 30 minutes or more. Live stream should include chats, games, or cryptocurrency related lectures, guides. Actively interact with the audience, encourage your audience to follow accounts and turn on notification settings to update. Actively promote live information on social media. Application review criteria. So on social media platforms, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, etc., the applicant who has an established presence, number of subscribers, views, or traffic is preferred. So if you have a social media following, it is an added advantage for you to become bigger in this platform. Familiar with cryptocurrency related areas, you can become bigger if you are already into crypto and you are knowledgeable about it. You can have followers. This is a very large place. You can join the Binance affiliate program partner, Binance team leader, Binance different ways. So all you have to do is to simply click on this apply now, and then you're going to see where you're supposed to apply. It will just take me to the interface. So the next thing you're going to do is to just put in your email and then log in. I'll not be able to do that because I've already applied. I'm one of it, but the steps are easy. Just fill in your information and click on apply. After like 7 days, they will respond to you, and that is all about applying for Binance Live. So once you become a Binance Live streamer, if you head over to this place, you can see the live center right here. You can see your profile. If I click on live center, it will take me to the live center. This is where I'm supposed to go live and do everything. You can go to profile. Let me show you my profile. I have 120 followers. I've not been actively doing the live streaming, but this time around I want to pay attention to it. You can see, you can just go ahead and do some few things and make your followers grow and become bigger. You can edit your avatar, you can upload anything you want to upload. So let me simply go back and show you some few things before I show you how to go live. So right here you can see, anyway you see this live, you can see this guy is already live here. If I should play on it, you're going to see that this guy is already live. In the Binance live session, you have 48 people viewing this live at this current time. You're going to see the live chat. Host is preparing, please wait. So welcome to Binance Live. You're going to see people are talking about this. I can even say hello everyone. So you can actually chat and interact with people. You can see somebody is sending gifts, flowers, so you can redeem this. And you can simply come here if you want to share with people. Also, you want to gift them. This is how you gift to people. You send it. This is how people gift you if you are giving out knowledge and something very interesting. So it's an amazing place to be in. Jump into this place and become one of the big players in this aspect. Let me show you how to do live streaming and share information with people. All you have to do is to click on go live. After clicking on go live, it will take you to where you're supposed to go live. Now you can create something like a banner, right, live with your PC, or you can go live with your phone. So show multiple content such as PPT, that is the PowerPoint presentation, and more. You can also go live with your mobile phone. So you click on create live. So right here you can just type the title. Let's say guide to Fibonacci trading. Trading. So it's easy to build a followership on this particular platform. I'll just simply click on this. I think this is okay. I'll go for trade because this is where I'm more knowledgeable in. You can simply select where you're also familiar with. I'll click on trade. You can go for NFT. So I have designed something very interesting right here, the banner that I'm going to put. I'll simply click on download for this and then have this particular banner. Simply come to share. Then I'm going to download this particular banner to my PC. So right here, I'm going to click on download. So it will download direct to my PC and then I'm going to upload it right here. Waiting for it. So it has already downloaded right here. You can see it. So I'll upload it right here as the cover. So I'll go to PC and then go to downloads. Then I'm going to find it right here. So this is it. Click on open. So I'm waiting for it to just upload. So you're going to see it. So you can put a description right here. Just put a description and say something like, just say something about Fibonacci trading, because I'm just trying to show you this. I will say things like, I will show you a professional, okay, sorry, I'm using one hand, professional approach, right? Approach. I'm using one hand to type because I'm holding one hand with my mic, to trade with Fibonacci. Okay, this is very amazing. Fibonacci tool. So it's something very brief. So go ahead and write anything you think is convincing. So I'll simply click on go live. I'll also put something in the poster. You can use something. I'll use the same banner for the poster and then click on create live. So after creating live, now I've created live. So I'll show you how to go to the live center and then actively go live and start live streaming. You can actually live stream with different things if you have an external live streaming platform. So let me go to live center. After coming to live center, if I scroll down, this is the live I just created. All I have to do is to click on that. And then you can live stream with maybe things like OBS. If you have any live streaming platform like OBS, like StreamYard, you can see them right here. So you can use it depending on what you want, but I want to use the Binance, live streaming studio. I'll just click on go live. Right now it is going to show me the platform. So I will actually share my screen. This is my chart right here. I want to show people how to use the Fibonacci tool to trade. So right here you can see. So I'll just delete everything right here and then share. You're going to see everything in detail so that you also become a live streamer on Binance. So coming back to this right here, you can see, okay, let me blow this. I don't want anybody to see me. So I want to share my screen, enter live room. I'll go to enter live room. So right here, this is the banner. I will share my screen. So you can see share screen right here. Okay. You can click on share screen, entire screen. Entire screen is what I want to share. So I'll just click on share system audio. And I will click on system audio and then go to share. So right here, everybody here is going to see my screen. So I can come here and start teaching about the Fibonacci tool and then tell people, once you come here, you draw your trend line, or you just keep your trend line right here and carry another line. So this is how you're going to teach people. Okay. So anybody that is coming to the live session, you can see people joining. Very soon you will see people begin to join this place. So once you've created this, you click on start live. You will just simply click on start live. So once you click on start live, now it is going to go live. So somebody has already joined. Already somebody has joined this. So right here you can see that I'm sharing information and then the voice is also going out. So people will start joining right here. I'll simply come here and delete everything and start teaching people about Fibonacci. Hello guys, this is Fibonacci tool. I'm going to show you how to use the Fibonacci tool in a professional manner. If you're coming to my live streaming for the first time, I'm going to show you everything in detail right here. So to get your Fibonacci tool, all you have to do is to follow every single step that I'm going to put you through. Click on that, put your Fibonacci tool here and take it to the last recent high and then drop it right there. So the best way to trade it, so this is how you're going to teach. So while you're teaching, people are joining right here. You can see, okay, people are going to be joining. So as far people are joining, people are going to be following everything you're doing while you're teaching. You're going to show people the best way to use the Fibonacci, and then people are going to gift you, are going to give you different things. You will see people chatting in this platform, and then people will follow you. People will just do a lot of things right here. So this is actually how to live stream. Then you can also use your mobile phone and live stream. It's easy to do that. So I will end this live right now because I'm just doing it for tutorial purpose. I will simply click on end live and click on confirm. So this live has ended now. So at any time, somebody can come and replay this and then watch my live session. So people are going to follow me. So the details are here. Cumulative total views. I have 17 people that viewed this live that we just did. Unique views, cumulative comments, nobody commented, unique views. So these are the things. Cumulative new fans, 121, different things. And then you're going to see your earnings, cumulative earnings. So this is where you're going to see your payment. At the end of the month, you can remove it and then take it back to your account. So it's easy to do that, guys. It's very easy to do this on Binance. Okay, so this is basically how to go about that. Let me go to the Binance live and show you how these things are. You're going to see some of those people, the number of followers they have. Like this particular person, if I play on it, you are going to see the number of followers this person has, the influence and everything. You simply come here and click on host. Then you're going to see this guy has 35k number of followers. He's an icon in this area. Look at all the videos he has made. You can replay anything. You can replay anything. If I click on replay, you're going to see it. You're going to see it. So this has passed. I'm just going to play it. It's something that has passed. You're going to see all the information this guy shared with people in the past. So we've just played it. We're going to see it right now. So you can see this guy. You can see it was actually gamify. So guys, this is how to go about with the live streaming section of Binance and become a pro in the live streaming aspect. So don't forget, guys, to give me a like and make sure you comment in the comment section. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment and I'm happy to respond to you at any time. Thank you guys for watching. See you in another video.